Shift is one of the most important browsers I've ever reviewed on this channel, because your browser is maybe the most important app on your computer. It's probably the one place that you spend 95% of your time in, and that's why I think browsers are just so underrated. Think about it. A lot of people have spent years obsessing over which productivity apps to use, which note-taking system is best, which task manager to try next, but the browser, nobody really questions the browser. You just open up Chrome or you open up Safari or whatever came installed on your laptop and you just use it. And that's exactly the problem, because while you've been optimizing everything else in your workflow, your browser has just been sitting there completely unchanged, doing basically the bare minimum. And that's where Shift and their new feature Shift AI comes in. So Shift AI is basically AI built directly into your browser. It's not a Chrome extension you bolt on. It's not a separate tab you keep open next to your work. It's not a tool you switch to every time you need to ask a question. It lives inside Shift browser. And that one feature, having AI living inside your browser, is one of the biggest things you can do right now to cut down on your context switching that quietly kills your productivity every single day. And that's why I've teamed up with Shift Browser to put together basically a full walkthrough of how I've set it up and how I've been basically using Shift AI in my daily workflow. Because Shift Browser is built around one idea that I think most browsers have completely ignored, and that is that your browser should adapt to the way that you work, not the other way around. So the first thing that happens when you open Shift for the first time is it asks you to pick a template. There are 6 of them, each designed around a different way of working, and it takes about 30 seconds. I picked Everyday Explorer because my work style is pretty focused. I'm not jumping between 15 different tools constantly. I work in blocks. I finish one thing, then I move to the next. So I wanted a setup that reflected that rather than a browser that's basically fighting for my attention every 5 minutes. I won't go through in too much detail on how to set up your whole browser, because honestly, Shift is so customizable. I could be here all day, and I want to get to the AI features, which I will do shortly. I will show you though how I've customized my apps to speed up my daily workflow. So you can set your apps at the top of the browser. I have 4. I have Kit, I have Reddit twice, I'll come back to that in a second, and I have Facebook. So apps in Shift are different to bookmarks. A bookmark just saves a link, but an app sits permanently at the top of your browser, one click, and you're straight into that app. Already logged in, no searching, no extra steps. For a bit of context, I have another business where this month we're heavily focused on growing an email list, 2 subreddits, and a Facebook group. And so every morning with the apps in the top of my browser, I can click through to each page very quickly. And I do this every day. I check how many emails we collected that previous day, how many members the 2 Reddit communities grew by, and the same with the Facebook group as well. It's not just about time saving, but it's about focus. So what are you focusing your energy on? And I like the quote, the main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing. And the main thing for me for 30 days is to build out 4 communities and just go all out with those tasks in building those 4 communities. So having those apps there at the top of the browser, they're just kind of subtle reminders throughout the day to help me stay focused on those specific tasks. But I feel like the real magic with Shift AI is how AI is so seamlessly integrated into Shift Browser. So we've got a feature called Intelligent Omnibox. So if I'm searching for, let's say I'm researching for a product to buy, I type it into the search bar and the results appear just like they would in any browser. It's nothing really special. But let's say I want to research whether a certain product is worth buying before I buy. So I type it in the search box just as I would, but this time, instead of pressing enter, I press tab. And it immediately searches in AI chat and it summarizes whether or not this product is worth buying. And the AI chat, it even cites sources, so you can kind of double check whether it's actually reliable information. So you saw there how I didn't need to use a separate browser extension or open up a new tab. The only thing I did different to open an AI chat was hit tab instead of enter. That's literally it. Now, with AI chat, you can ask questions, you can get summaries, you can create drafts without interrupting your flow, which is a huge part of productivity. How many times do we start on a task but then our flow is interrupted and we just get distracted for the next 20 minutes. It happens all the time, but with Shift AI, it's designed to help prevent that. Or if you're already on a web page, you can open up AI chats by clicking the 2 stars icon. You see here how AI chat opens within the browser, not in another tab, because ideally, from a productivity perspective, you don't want to keep opening new tabs and start getting distracted. And I've asked AI chat to basically give me the 5 pros and 5 cons of this product, so I don't need to read the whole article, but AI chat basically summarizes it for me. You can even use AI chat almost like a colleague or friend to brainstorm with. For example, I have my carbon wheel scorecard, which is basically a database of all the carbon wheels that I've reviewed for one of my other businesses. So I open AI chat and I ask it, tell me how I can improve this scorecard. That's exactly what it does. And AI chat opens in the same tab as my Google Sheets tab, so you can see how, if you're someone who always has 5 to 10 tabs open on your browser, which is how I used to work with more traditional browsers, but with Shift AI, my work is a lot more focused and intentional. Another way I use AI chat is basically to compare products. For example, I have 2 sets of carbon wheels here in 2 tabs, the Yolio Chankun CS60 and the Elite Wheels Drive 2. And I want to know which one is best without having to read all the specifications and comparing them manually. So I copy the URL of one of the pages, then I open the other tab, I click the AI chat button and I type in which are better and paste the URL of the other tab. I press enter and in about 7 seconds, AI chat shows me a table comparing the specifications of both sets of wheels. It would have taken me, I don't know, a good 10 minutes at least to manually compare specifications accurately and thoroughly, but AI chat helps me in just seconds. You have full control over when and how AI is active on your browser. If you go into the settings, you can toggle on or off AI chat and intelligent Omnibox. And this is a big thing for Shift. They really want you to have autonomy over what AI features you use, how much access it has, and when it's even switched on at all. Shift has a feature called Spaces also, which are basically separate profiles inside the same browser window. You can see here I have one profile that's pink and another that's green, which is useful for me because I run 2 businesses, and on a normal browser, running 2 businesses means constantly logging in and out of accounts or keeping an incognito window open as a workaround. With Spaces, I just click over to whichever business I'm working on, and everything is already there. The right Gmail, the right Drive, the right accounts. Nothing kind of bleeds over from one business to the other. And even if you're not running 2 businesses, this is still useful. Most people have a work life and a personal life, I hope. And Spaces is a clean way to keep them separate at the browser level. Your personal space on a Sunday has no work emails, no Slack, nothing, because all the cookies and account data are kept completely separate between Spaces. It's one of those things that sounds minor until you actually try it and you wonder how you managed without it for so long. Privacy is treated as a baseline expectation as well, with every chat feature a built-in privacy layer designed to keep all queries secure and anonymous. So practically speaking, what does that mean? It means your data belongs to you. Shift AI chat is privacy protected by Cloudflare's privacy proxy, so your queries aren't being stored or tracked. On top of that, Shift scans against Avira's database of unsafe files and known viruses before they reach your computer. Shift also uses Google Web Risk to flag unsafe or malicious sites before they are loaded. Your passwords are also stored locally and encrypted, so you're not relying on a third-party app to keep them safe. A lot of browsers, they kind of make you hunt for this stuff in the settings, or worse, you just don't get it at all. But with Shift, it's all just on by default. There are 2 pricing options. The first pricing option is free. Shift actually updated this recently, where before they allowed 5 apps per space, but now they allow 10 apps per space. Or you can update to the advanced to get unlimited spaces, unlimited apps per space, and unlimited Shift AI usage. Like I said, browsers, one of, if not the most underrated productivity apps we use. If you do want to check out Shift for yourself, I'll drop a link in the description below. Highly recommended if you're looking to kind of incorporate AI more seamlessly into your daily workflow. I actually made another video a few months ago going over how I customize Shift in more detail. You can click on the card on the screen to watch that, and I will see you over there.